ready to conquer the day. Let's go. Good morning, guys. Just had breakfast. Here's Layla. Today is going to be a fantastic day. I hope you feeling the same way. Let's conquer it. This is our last full day in California. It's kind of bittersweet. So let's conquer the day. Let's do this. Love you guys. See you later. All about it. So I got tucked into a walk around the neighborhood. My new shirt and all. I like to wave at people. So I got tucked into a walk by this little girl. You're so cute. I bet you I get at least 200 views just because you in it. Because you adorable.
I'm only 7 and 8. Like to climb, I like to do a lot of stuff.
Yeah, I like to
ride bicycles.
I like to walk,
I did
swim, and canoe. So, and gallop. I like to do this. Alrighty, guys. The fact we're having a two-way sentimental talk. The fact that you go into Santa Cruz, or San Jose, there is
right.
Santa Cruz is more.
It smells like good weed everywhere.
Oh, really?
Yeah, just
more of a tourist destination. San Jose, a lot of business people there. But then you have the Redwoods, a great place to meditate. And
oh no, we're putting it out there for her to maybe a problem, right? I'll go look for propane family, okay?
scary.
We're on a heavy-duty road trip, aren't we?
Scary. You just released my farting business out to the whole entire world. Thanks a lot, Dad. Thank you.
No problem.
I appreciate you.
No problem.
And I can delete the clip, but I'm too lazy to choose to do that, so. Oh.
Find your bookstore so we can and load.
We finally got the what should I call it?
A memory chip, right?
Memory chip, and the sun is bright. What can I vlog tomorrow?
I don't know.
Tomorrow is going to be. Tomorrow is going to be a short vlog. Basically, us driving. Is basically what it's.
Back down Front Street.
I need to give him directions.
All the way to Calston.
Alrighty, guys. It's like 2 weeks until school, and I just picked up my school reading book. I procrastinated, but it is the hot zone. I'm traveling all day tomorrow to Portland, so I'm going to get a huge chunk of this done. I'm at the mall in Santa Cruz, outdoor mall. I can smell the redwoods. I'm about to get a smoothie from Jamba right now and go to the beach. Alright.
Outdoors.
I'm cruising down here on Pacific Street to not from Santa Cruz. Pacific Street is like the outside mall area. So that's where I'm heading. I'm heading down to the wharf, got a Caribbean passion, and just took a quick stop at there's no sign besides, wait, what? Yeah, all the famous shirts, it comes from here, dude. Maybe I'm just making that fact up. But where are we going, Dad?
We're gonna go to back to the boardwalk and load up the bikes, and then up to Ben Lomond.
First, we are going to
7-Eleven.
my old convenience store. I'm having all the emotions. Let's go. We over here at Twins Lake State Beach, I guess. What they call it, I don't know why. It's not a lake. It's a freaking ocean. But I'll have to ask somebody about that later. But I just used the restroom. We heading to take some GoPro shots in this fog, if you can't tell, down the coast. So let's go do that. We expecting company tonight, so we'll be on time for that. And we rolling, baby. And let's do the damn thing. Ready for the last time lapse in the Santa Cruz Mountains. Let's do it! I'll talk to you later.
Yep.
Alrighty, guys. Today is been a super great day. This can count for the end of vlog talk, but
Get Amanda in your vlog.
but tomorrow we're staying here for confidential reasons. I'll leave that in.
Yeah.
Fun day tomorrow, whatever it is. I hope you, if you waking up today and watching this vlog, go out and conquer your dreams. If you are watching this vlog during lunch, eat your lunch, watch this vlog, then conquer your dreams. And if you at night ready to go to bed, dream about conquering your dreams and wake up tomorrow and conquer them. I love you guys. See you tomorrow here in the beautiful Golden State of California. Love you. Peace out. P.S. guys, go to the link in the description. Sign the petition to stop the media from promoting all the bad stuff in this world and show them you can create good news stories. So sign that petition.